Hey there, dudes. It's me and Patrick.
Hello.
And welcome back to another episode. I know it's been really much of so long. It's been so long, so yeah. But guess what? This is going to be very fun. It's like something about Angry Birds. And if we fail of knocking down the tower, we have to eat toxic waste, which is the sourest candy in the whole world.
I can't do that because I have a scab on my tongue. I ate 3 toxic waste at once yesterday. Ew.
Ew.
And then I ate 2 more at once.
Dude!
Why do I do this to myself? I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot.
I
Ooh, one more thing.
Yeah.
Like, if you think that I should produce some new FNAF characters.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
With Carter's backwards shirt. Yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna get out of the video so he doesn't think that I have to eat toxic waste. That's my spicy ramen,
That's my little brother.
which is also a bad idea.
That's my little brother.
I'm your big brother.
I know.
I'm your big brother.
Rachel, can you get out of the video, please?
No.
Okay. Let's see. So our characters are going to be Grocery Gang, the Popcorn, Gross Popcorn.
I think I was the gang from Carter always messing up that song.
What? So, and then the Zombie Pigman. Okay, fine. You can have the Grocery Gang. Let's see. And then we have this dude from Star Wars.
Weirdo
For
bird.
Minecraft. See? Oh.
Dude, did you ask permission from any of these people?
What?
Hello, the Star Wars part.
Star Wars?
That's Angry Birds Star Wars. Dude.
Oh, yeah? It's just a toy. Okay. And here's Bombird. Golden Freddy's arm. I lost most of it. Charged Creeper head.
Never. We shut up.
We have Iron Golem. Chest. And all you like the one. It's a famous game. FNAF. Freddy's head.
Leave a like if you want Carter to smash his face into the birdhouse and try and smash it with his face.
Anvil for Minecraft. And
Leave a like if you want to see that.
okay, sure. Sure. I don't know why I'm not allowed to do bath challenges.
Karaoke sing along. He will come back. You'll never make me shut up.
Okay.
In this video. Hello, Uncle Albert.
Chica. Wait.
I'm gonna keep being annoying.
Chica with Mr. Cupcake is so cute.
I'm gonna still be annoying. I'm still going
I
to
wonder
be
if you can
annoying.
still see Chica in the camera.
I'm still gonna be
Wait.
annoying. Nope.
Stop.
You can't.
Virtual, get out of the video, please. Okay, now here's the diamond block from my diamond ore. One of the pieces. Virtual, you're being too loud in the video. Can you please get out?
It's bad.
Okay, fine. Sorry guys, this is embarrassing. So, stop it. Okay. Okay, so let's build the house. Patrick, what do you want me to build? What do you want me to build?
Spring trap.
Okay, I'll try to.
She's gonna epic fail.
No, seriously.
He went.
Guys, I'm a good builder.
Go home, Spring Trap, you're drunk. Because in the trailer, he just went insane. And yeah, in the trailer, Trash Pair said, "Go home, Texture Truck." Maybe it is a bad idea to give me coffee.
Springtrap's arms. Oh.
Hashtag epic fail right now.
Oh. You can't.
Chica!
Hi guys! I'm Chica!
We're here for revenge. We don't like you, purple guy. You're a bad man, purple guy.
Stop. Okay, let's move the camera.
P.S. Purple guy is Jeremy Fitzelgard. Don't listen to the idiots who say it's phone guy. Thank you. Have a nice day. You will never cut me out of the video.
It's not shotgun, because shotguns are dumb.
This is a fun video. You keep putting your finger in front of the camera.
Stop.
Hey! Never! And you just cut me out of the video, didn't you? You will never cut my voice out of the video.
He's mad right now. Virgil, this is a video. That's his hair. See that curly hair over there?
So, look, leave in the comments, who do you think purple guy is? Jeremy Fitzelgard or phone guy? Vote Jeremy Fitzelgard, and who do you think? And
So guys, I get
who thinks that puppet wasn't from here? Let us know in the comments below, and please watch Puppet Video with Jen, and please subscribe. It's the most support they can get, including Liza Koshy. Thank you.
okay. Let's see. So let me go with the anvil.
Why the big sleeping?
Oh crap.
Yeah.
Okay, we have to throw this in his stomach. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, where were the ears?
I have to eat the toxic waste.
Oh, if you get a red one, the red one's been chosen.
Yeah,
do
what?
exactly how Dan TDM do it, I dare you.
Oh,
If you get a black cherry, you have to do it. And then I will force another one in your mouth.
Okay.
3, 4,
No.
and 5.
Let's see, let's get green out.
Up here.
What?
Carter, just da 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 da.
No. Stop. Okay, fine.
You do not get to choose.
But where's the spinning cup? Can you give me a cup to spin?
Nope. You can't.
I'll get it.
You
I'll
win.
get out.
Win. He will come back. He always will. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. I'm doing Lord songs. I really mean the video.
Virgil, you can have the Freddy arm.
Yes, I am. Cause guys,
we'll meet you in a second, because
I'm ruining the video.
no, Virgil is.
Why would you need a spinning cap? Do what I do. Just be student. Because I'm ready for the spaghetti.
Yeah, plus subscribe to this purple ship. His videos are hilarious.
Because he is ready for the spaghetti.
Okay, guys. Can you hold the camera for me?
Hello, Uncle Bear Boot.
It's not like that.
Hashtag ready for the spaghetti.
Okay, guys. Plus the TV's on. Okay.
Thank you guys. This was part of Totally Random Things, and thank you for watching my portion.
So, guys, look how much damage this done. Look how much damage. So we're in our room. What are we called? Okay. So when I knocked it down in the kitchen, it was like this. Here. Yeah. No.
I'm sucking.
Nope.
I'm sucking.
Okay, go downstairs. Come on. Oh, cool. Let's see.
And 90 seconds.
Okay. These are not Shopkins. So it looks like...
Look, second. Small, small.
Look like that.
Small.
So yeah. Hope you like this video.
Guess
My
what?
videos kind of suck. Stop singing. Can you just please go downstairs?
No.
Please? Please?
No.
Please?
No.
Please?
No. No.
Here, have this angry bird. Here, have the angry bird.
Angry bird.
Follow the angry bird.
Oh.
Get the angry bird. Okay, what's the next building? Let's see. Hotel house. Hotel. Okay, hotel. Okay, let's make a hotel. Hotel. See that? We have it.
Honey dear.
And then
Honey
we need
dear.
some of that.
Honey dear.
And then we need that. Oh.
Up
I
here.
didn't flip it. Oh no.
Meow.
Dude, episode you want to do gaming?
Oh.
Game's much more
Moo.
fun. Let's see. Much more fun, not funner. Jeez. No school. I just don't have that. You know what? So, let's do that. Let's see. Oh, why do I keep trying to put an anvil on top of a house? Why?
For the bird.
Okay, this time I get free tries because this is pretty big.
Bird.
This is pretty big. Wow.
Whoopee.
Ooh, that's a shoe.
Whoopee. Carter. Whoopee.
Looky. Oogie? Oogie from Guava Juice? Lukey? Yeah, cat for what?
Jeremy.
My brother is so little. He's viewing the video right now.
Oh.
Then, let's see, let's put this behind the house.
Only beyond
Oh,
me.
hotel.
Wow.
Ew!
Ew.
Okay, ooh, and this piece right there.
Gross.
Perfect!
Gross.
Perfect. Wait, I forgot to eat the toxic waste. Okay, I had to eat.
Oh.
Here, go get the bird again.
Oh.
Wrong one. So we have oh, be back again. And if okay. But first let's do this again to see if I get 2 toxic waste to put in my mouth. Because I'll do it. I'm doing it for you guys.